I am back with Spore. Welcome back to Spore. When we last left off, we were just at the end of cell stage. And back into it. Yes. We are on land now. And I think, honestly, what I'm going to do right away is just edit my character again. Just because when I last played, I didn't really make the design I wanted. I just kind of slapped on legs and called it a day. But now I'm going to actually edit the creature. Just removing everything. I've noticed, like, I keep looking back at the camera just because I want to, like, actually seem like I'm paying attention to, like, the audience. But it just comes across as awkward. I've thought about, honestly, making some games without commentary. I might potentially do that, because there's no rule to say I can't make a video without commentary, but I don't know if everyone's gonna like that. It's just something I thought about. Thing too is, like, really played before. That way it's like, you know, because I played Spore a lot already. I'm just kind of getting back into it because of, you know, me starting a YouTube channel. I thought Spore was like one of the perfect games for it because it's just like one of those games where you can practically just make anything. So it makes sense that actually think about making like a speed build or like speeding up the video through this part. I don't know how to do that though, really. So just change the color now. Or the... I think the lines are the coat, right? Maybe. I'm gonna name it again. I'm gonna name it Rifa Lee. Rifa Lee. It seems like it's a far jump in evolution, and that's because it is. like, Spore is obviously not an accurate game about evolution. But it's still fun for that reason, just because you want. And I really like this game. It does get repetitive. I won't deny that. It certainly does get repetitive. But now this is like the actual gameplay that everyone. Eating a plant. And now, okay, so... No, I wasn't trying to... Alright, so, looking at our evolution real quick. So this was Generation 1, we started out. Then Generation 2, we evolved. Slowly but surely. We lost Charm. Temporarily, I might add. And some arms. So, yeah. We're adaptable, but what I'm gonna do is go down Predator path. This is like the fun part of the game where I get to be violent. in the game. I get to be a vicious species. So if we kill 3 of these species, the game will automatically say like they're extinct. Again, not really how evolution works, but if we extinct a species, we'll get more points out of it. It's easier to actually befriend them first, just because they are the lower level creatures that you start interacting with. But matter. I'm just showing off like what I'm gonna be doing for the most part. A lot of times I'll die in creature stage. A lot. I will admit. Because it's easier to befriend, like, the lower creatures first, like I said. It's pretty quick, actually, how we evolve our brain at first. And now we get to add a pack member, which I think I will. And after we do, I'll add a mate, or I'll evolve again. Okay, now we actually get to... So I unlocked all the eyes. else? Purple. Yeah, I think that looks cool. I'm gonna change the name now again to Rita Wee. Um, I think that should do fine for right now. It's so cool to, like, you know, change it up every time. Because a lot of games, like, I just never seen a game like this that allows you to do that. It just lets you change the character as you're playing. Usually in some games like this, oh, the eyes are glitching out a little bit. I didn't even check. Did we get, like, the mouth upgrade? We got a lot of upgrades, actually, in that one span. Alright, so, yeah, our eyes are glitching, but I'm just gonna quickly save now, because this game does love to crash without me knowing it. It will prompt me to save it again anyway. Oh wait, didn't I? I said I was gonna get a pack member, didn't I? Charge this guy. Very quickly taken care of. Because they're lower level. No, I wanted to charge it. There you go. We take a new nest now. Okay, so these guys are level 19 just like us. We have to kill 4 of them. So I'm not sure if I want to do that just yet. There's no reason why we can't try. But let's inspect them. Because sometimes I forget that's a feature you can use. We can use a spyglass to see how... Oh yeah, they're probably not much of an issue because they have level 1 bite and that's it. We can take them. Sometimes this game gets stressful. What I don't like about this game is that for some reason my character likes to get stuck. And it's because one of my other characters is in front of it. And now there's a new alpha. Just like that. We've already dealt with 2 other species. When they designed this game, the people at Maxis, I don't think they account for the fact that, like, when creatures spawn on top of hills, a lot of times you cannot get up those hills. And now I'm just gonna quickly use a spyglass because these guys look like they're tough. Not really. If we take care of the alpha too, I'll actually use my ability, because this is a thing that's in the game where after you evolve you'll gain an ability. So I'm just gonna use this. Not that I really need to use it right now, but just to deal with somebody quickly. Well, I like to use my charge. Thank you. Just feel like I'm gonna start. Yeah, that's what I mean by like intense, because a lot of times I don't even know what's happening. No. God damn it. Yeah, I just needed one more. Now we can summon another pack leader or something. Alpha Swamp Ray. That's one of my creations. He's level 50, so I shouldn't really mess with it. Not right now, anyway. I'm gonna go back home for a moment. or my home nest. It also makes sense that they'd be laying eggs because they're birds. So, I mean... in all fairness. It's just so cool. You know... I've made a bird design like this before. I've shown you this. But I just like the look of it. Okay, so changing the color one more time. Let's make it a bit more blue-ish. Somewhere between that. And let's finally add pink again, because I like the look of it. I think I'm gonna keep the design from this point relatively the same too. Just because I like the look of it so far. Now we're gonna be moving. We're gonna be moving to a new home nest. Hopefully it's not like. Usually it might be like in a area where like there's an epic creature, which I don't really like. But we'll just see what happens. I just have to click on the mini-map anyway, and like if I do have to sprint, I'll just sprint. Because a lot of times we'll like be attacked by just a random creature on our passing. For no reason. I'm gonna hit sprint now just because I don't want it to take so long. A lot quicker than I thought it would be. So, according to the game, this is where new generations will be born. I don't even know why this is necessarily a feature, but like, it is of the game, I guess. How much did we evolve again? We evolved quite a bit. So, well. Give it a second. Charge. And we need to kill one more. Charge. Gotta be attacked again. Okay. We just lost a pack member, so that's not cool. Alright, we need to eat something. And I probably should get another pack member now. I think there was an asteroid belt happening, or a rain shower. If I can get one more, that'd be great. Eggs are flying in the sky. Okay. So I think that's good for now, right? Eventually I'll get some like tail feathers too. I am going down the path of Predator. I think once I see it's in the red, I'll stop it there. I'm thinking about that now. That one's already low in health. Easy. Pretty easy. Except for when they're jumping. Jump. The baby's in the way. That's why. It's actually... There you go. The baby was in the way. We are evolving a bigger brain. Almost there. We've actually almost reached tribal stage. And with that, we have more health too, so... We only need one more. This guy's closer. That's it. We're almost there. Maybe I'll get rid of the red dots at this point. It's always a pain in the ass to try to for whatever reason the wings and Spore don't want to stay. That's good. They're not bird wings, of course, but Spore logic and everything says that eventually they will become bird wings after I get the parts for them. Or the DNA points for them. I need to kill 7 of them, and I am out of here. Because there's a fucking epic. Oh well. That's what I'm saying, like, for some reason, the game thinks, like, oh, this is the perfect spot to put you in. Especially on easy mode. This is easy mode, and it places me in next to an epic. Anyway. I'm in the red anyway, so that's all I wanted to do. And look, I finally got the mouth I wanted. So I might as well do that. Which I like. I just have to fix the color one more time because I think the detail is off. No, that's the wrong thing. I was trying to go to the detail. That's better. Okay. Now we're going to be migrating to a new nest after I just said we're all done. But it's a good thing, actually, because we don't want to be next to an epic. I'd much rather we not be next to an epic in our new home nest. Especially, I mean, like, it's on easy mode. Is that just EA's way of saying, like, oh, you want to play on easy mode? Right? Too bad. Well, I'm gonna be going to a new home nest then. We're walking really, really derpy. I don't know why. But I actually kind of like it. Yeah, that's where sprint comes in handy, especially if we get stuck. In a tree. We're probably gonna still be next to an epic. Knowing my luck. That happens a lot in this game. Like, especially if you migrate to a new nest, the game will just be like, oh. You want to spawn next to an epic, apparently. I don't know why they designed it like that. I really don't. But anyway, we're in the red, so we're a predator now. Our species is. Probably by next episode we will be in the tribal stage. I'm pretty sure at this point we're like halfway there. We're more than halfway there to the tribal stage already. And I can either keep playing, but I mean it's already almost 11 o'clock, so I'm just gonna leave it here. I'll have to edit this and everything. I don't know if I'll finish it I'll probably have to upload it by tomorrow, so you won't see it until Monday. But that's it for me, I think. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell for notifications. And, yeah. I'll see you in the next video. And this has been Heavy Metal Hydra signing out.